Are you tired of managing documents manually, chasing approvals, and wasting time on repetitive tasks? Meet ParseMania. All your documents automatically captured. Upload files in chat, send them through API, or simply let emails arrive. Everything is processed instantly in the background. No setup, no templates. Our AI reads, analyzes, and classifies every document so you get results immediately. Define your logic in plain language. For example, if an invoice exceeds $100, require approval. ParseMania turns your instructions into rules that run continuously. And when something needs attention, humans step in seamlessly. You get the speed of AI with the precision of human judgment. Finally, every document becomes part of your private knowledge base. Ask questions, get accurate answers, and always see the exact source. Let ParseMania be your intelligent control center for documents.